Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do jumbo pigtail braids. First, part your hair in the middle. We're going to start off with one small ponytail. Next, we're going to add another ponytail right behind the first ponytail. Once you're done securing the second ponytail, grab the first ponytail and split it in half. Then reconnect the ponytail underneath the second ponytail and add some hair before you secure that ponytail. Then you do the same thing. You get the first ponytail and you split it in half, then you reconnect it underneath the second ponytail and add extra hair before you secure that ponytail. Then you just continue doing the same thing over and over again until you get to the nape of the neck. Next, just pull each ponytail just to make it look bigger. And the good thing about this, they're not real braids, so when you pull it, it's not going to come apart. You can make it as big as you want it to be. Next, just grab a piece of hair and wrap it around the ponytail just to cover up the elastic band. Then grab a bobby pin to secure it. Next, we're going to work on the other side, and we're just going to repeat the same thing that we did on the other side. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know if you did this style. Thank you.